Stepping into a brand new year, most of us would be hoping that 2021 is nothing like the year 2020, a year ravaged by the coronavirus. While 2021 is the year for some new dreams, hopes, and aspirations, it is also about completing the pending tasks or the resolutions from the last year. From achieving fitness goals to ticking off one more destination on the travel bucket list, TV actors reveal what's still unticked on their resolution list, thanks to the pandemic from the last year that they aspire to achieve now. Shivin Narang. Plans went haywire last year will primarily focus on my health in the year 2020. My resolution in 2020 was to focus on my health, but then the lockdown happened and in May I injured my left hand too. So all my plans went haywire. I think I will be continuing that resolution in the year 2021 and my health will be my prime focus. Tina Datta. One thing that remains constant on my list is to stay content with what I have. Despite 2020 being a low year for many, I was fortunate to travel, shoot, and even be in touch with all my friends and family virtually. I always resolved to stay content with what I have, and last year I learned how to do that. Meera Deostale. I am going to take my resolution to stay fit seriously this year. I decided to focus on my health and fitness and not to be casual about it. In the year 2020, I was able to work on my fitness for some part of the year, but we all know how the last year was. I was to be serious about my fitness resolution this year, make some lifestyle changes, eat balanced meals, and regularly do pranayam in the mornings. Amir Ali. This year will be to concentrate on my acting. Though I did not really keep resolutions last year around this time of the year, I had decided that I would concentrate on my work and acting, which I have not been doing for the last couple of years. But 2020 was a crazy year for all of us. Shantanu Maheshwari. I hope I will be able to go on an international trip this year. Learn, earn, travel, and repeat. I hope to incorporate these elements in my bucket list every year. I hustle every year to do this. I make it a point to go on an international trip every year. But due to the pandemic, it was not possible last year. I hope that all the travel restrictions are lifted soon and I get to plan an international trip at least this year. Shashank Vyas. I want to do more visible and interact with fans on social media this year. My resolution in the year 2020 was to be more visible, and though I was a lot more active on social media platforms than usual, I feel I need to give more time to it. I would love to interact more with my fans this year. Ada Khan. Last year there was no motivation to achieve my fitness goals. Want to do this year. The most important thing for me last year was to work out regularly and achieve the fitness level that I wanted. But keeping up with this resolution became difficult during the pandemic. With gyms shut and months of staying indoors, there was hardly any motivation to work on my fitness goals. Manat Jora was not able to go out regularly to feed stray dogs. Will do that this year. Last year I had decided that I would start feeding stray dogs and cats and I would go out every day to do that. But in 2020, first due to lockdown and then my work commitments, I was not able to go out frequently. This is something from my last year's list that I would want to continue this year. So folks, what's your views on this? What are your New Year resolutions? Do let us know in the comments below. Also, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.